Welcome to the traffic noise. I thought I'd just do a quick little vid on sub for a sub and basically explaining don't do it, why you shouldn't do it, and the flow-on effects. I had a particular YouTuber recommended to me called Green Bay Wacky, American fellow, nice enough guy, no problem with the fella himself, but what he does is he does these live streams. I think he calls them sub up, get discovered, get noticed, meet friends, something like that. So it's this kind of entertainment hangout live stream where he does like a little song and dance and jokes and stuff, and there's nothing wrong with any of that stuff. There's absolutely nothing wrong with what he does, but there's a lot of people who jump into his stream. I think they're attracted by the name of the live stream, and they think that it's going to be a quick fix, get some subscribers, you know, get some viewers. And most of the people, I'm going to say probably 95% of the people who use his live stream, they're just trying to do sub for sub. And sub for sub doesn't work, and I'll tell you why. In case you don't know, sub for sub means I subscribe to your channel, you subscribe to mine, and together we grow. It doesn't work. It never worked. It never will work. And the reason it doesn't work is that when you do this, you end up subscribing to a channel that you weren't really interested in to begin with, and the other person's doing the same. So they subscribe to your channel and your videos end up showing up in their feed for a while, and then after a while, you know, be it a few days or even a few weeks, they look at your videos and they think, why did I subscribe to this channel? You know, this channel doesn't interest me, unsub. And that's actually if you're lucky. If you're lucky, they unsub, which is why I just want to say that I have absolutely no problem with people unsubbing. In fact, you know, if I would actually love to have a channel with very few subs but lots of views. Of course, it doesn't tend to happen that way. But there's nothing worse than having a channel with 900 subscribers and you get 10 to 20 views per video. My old YouTube channel is like this. It's kind of why I discontinued it and started a new one. My old YouTube channel accumulated all these subscribers because I had this animated short film on there called Godzilla vs. Mecha Bin Laden, and that was a labor of love, animated short film, you know, a one-off, not something you do every day because, you know, God, it took like 200 hours to make. And people will see a video that you've done, like one really big epic video like that, and they'll think, oh, I'm gonna subscribe to this channel. So they subscribe, and then a few years go by and their account becomes inactive. And there's nothing more annoying than that. And of course the other thing that happens because of that is if you go and buy subscribers, you know, so if you go and buy inactive subscribers, same thing happens. You're just like buying a bunch of robots. It doesn't really do anything. So, you know, sub for sub doesn't work. It will never work. Don't believe people if they kind of try to suck you into it or try to sell you on it. Now I did actually, getting back to Green Bay Wacky, I did actually go to his live stream a few times, and I may still continue to go there because the guy's a fairly entertaining fellow, and yeah, I may still go there, and I was hoping to just, you know, possibly have just a little bit of a shout out. I wasn't actually hoping for subs. I was hoping for a wee bit of a shout out, like maybe check out this fella's channel, he does this types of video, have a look, see if you like it. And that's all I want, is have a look, see if you like it. I don't want, you know, people to say, go and sub to him now, you know, because you're not going to go and sub to somebody based on, you know, somebody's, you know, directive, do it. And if you do, you're just going to reverse your decision a few days later. You know, right now, as I make this video, I'm on 356 subscribers, I think. I actually got up to 360, but like, I'm bleeding like a subscriber a day at the moment, pretty much. You know, or maybe a subscriber every 2 days. And these people that are leaving are actually the people who subbed to me on this live stream and then decided, you know, over time, it's not quite what I wanted. You know, why did I sub to this guy? Yeah, he didn't sub to me back. That's right, I didn't sub to you back. I will never go and just sub to you just for sub because sub for sub's stupid, doesn't work, it's a waste of time. And that's the thing about it, is it's like these people on Twitter. Have you seen these people on Twitter? These fucking people on Twitter? These people on Twitter who follow you and then instantly when I see somebody follow me on Twitter, I have a look at their Twitter profile, and you'll see a person that is followed by, I don't know, 10,000, but follows roughly the same number. Follows 10,000 or follows even more, 20,000. And these are what I call the Twitter unfollowers. They're the people that follow you with the express purpose of saying, hey, I exist, and then promptly within a week they've unfollowed you. When people follow you on Twitter like that, or they just subscribe on YouTube and they don't actually give you any real engagement, they haven't actually commented on your videos, then you know that you're not really getting a real subscriber. And that's ultimately what you want, is a real subscriber, someone who is actually going to watch your videos and be engaged with your videos. So let's wrap this up. Don't ever get sucked in to sub for sub. It doesn't work. It will never work. You're wasting your time. You're wasting the other person's time as well, honestly. Like, you know, if you lead them into false hope and go and sub to their channel, and, you know, it's just a waste of time. I mean, all these people in the Green Bay Wacky live stream that sub to me, I did not sub to them. It's not that I hate them. It's just that I'm only going to sub to you if I see value in your videos. I will not sub to you because somebody told me to. You know, ain't no sheep. I'm done talking. It's your turn.